So SAP NetWeaver Java systems. So it's not the coding part here. So SAP NetWeaver Application Server is a central foundation. SAP NetWeaver is the central foundation for entire SAP software stack. This is the central foundation. So every SAP system, if you take, so SAP NetWeaver is the central component. Means it's a base. Central means it's a base component of central foundation of entire SAP software stack. Any software. If you take the BW, you need SAP NetWeaver. If you take the ECC, SAP NetWeaver, CRM, NetWeaver, EWM, NetWeaver. So anything you require the NetWeaver, right? So NetWeaver has NetWeaver has two stacks here. So one is the ABAP stack, which we discussed our ECC, NetWeaver, those things. And the second one is the Java stack. Second one is the Java stack here. NetWeaver's ABAP stack and Java stack here. So ABAP stack is provides the completely ABAP infrastructure to run the ABAP applications and everything. We can use the ABAP stack, that ECC, BW, so CRM, SRM are the ABAP stack systems, right? So Java stack systems. Java stack means, so Java stack, that this Java application server provides the Java runtime engines, Java environment to run the programs, web clients, especially for the web-based tools, web clients, browser request, and everything here, right? Suppose like ADS and our portal systems, PO systems, and BPC, BPM. So these are all the Java stack systems here. So these all are the Java stack systems here, right? Which require the SAP NetWeaver Java stack is required. ADS, Adobe Documentum Service. So if you want ADS functionality, ADFs, Adobe documentation, PDFs related functionality, then ADS service is required. That service will work on, the ADS service will work on based on the ADS service will work on the based on the, so your Java stack systems are required. Portal systems. Portal systems like a front end, like portal, and maybe if you go to, if you log into the systems, portal front end, ATM front end missions, they will use the portal systems. That is required the Java stack systems. PO. So like interfaces concept, BPC. So business process consolidation. These all are the SAP product which require the base is like a base product is required the Java stack. Java stack is required. To access the above stack, you require the SAP login pad. Then you launch the SAP screen, you will use it. To launch the Java stack systems, you require the browser. The browser, through browser, you will connect to the, so Java stack systems here. Here ICM is there. So the coming to the architecture by the ICM, then you have the server nodes are there. So it will work here. So this is the ICM. So this is the ICM. Only in the above stack, we have the so dialog, update, NQ. So for Java stack systems, we have only, so server nodes are there, server 0, server 1, server 2, something like that here, right? So the request, all the requests will come from the browser. This is the browser to ICM. ICM to ICM will assign the request to the server process here. ICM will assign the request to the server process here. This way, your request will work here. All right. So this is the Java stack. On top of the operating system, we will install the Java stack system here. Same as like above stack. Installation, same concept, same softwares, only Java systems, Java exports, we have to download it here. Java exports, we have to download it here. So single stack systems means only Java systems, only above systems we can install it. Above systems we know, we discussed. Java systems also similar procedure, same as WPM software, we will use it for the installation purpose and everything here. So these are the components are there in the Java stack systems here. But here also Java stack also when you install the Java stack, you will get the two instances here. One is the SCS, means if it's ABAP, then ASCS. If the Java, just SCS here. So normally this is called the JSCS. So the shortcut they will call it as the SCS. Some people they will call it as the CS, Central Services, right? So SCS, right? So otherwise JSCS, Java System Central Services here, right? So then J in the above system we will call it as the above where primary application server D instance number. Here we will get the J instance number at the file system level here. J means Java, D means so dialog, which means our ABAP application server. That is the difference between the ABAP stack and Java stack. The ABAP stack system we will use the so SAP GUI to log into the our SAP systems and everything, right? For Java stack systems, we use the browser. There is no SAP logon pad. Just a browser-based URL. We will open it. Then it will connect to the ICM. ICM will open the server nodes and everything here. But when you install the above stack, you will get the two instances, right? When you get the above stack, you will get the two instances. One is the ASCS and so the primary application server. So PAS or something like that you will get. For Java stack also, you will get the two instances here, right? Two instances you will get. One is the so SCS, Java SCS plus and J instance number, primary application server. Normally we will call it as the first application server primary. Right. What are the softwares we require to install the Java stack here? Same as like above, how much we required. So Java stack also, Java stack mainly on the file system based. Java stack is mainly for the file system based concept here. For Java stack, we will get the, so like uh, Java stack, we require the SWPM, same software. Then exports we required. Then kernel we required. Then DB client we required. DB client. Then SAP, the host agent is required here. These are the softwares you required to perform the, so these are the softwares you will be required to perform the installation of the Java system. Same as like above stack systems only. The minimum here, the 16 GB free 16 GB RAM is required here. The guys who are not 16 GB free space here. Coming to the storage level, the storage, so 200 GB minimum free space is required here, and RAM 16 GB free memory is required. But because Java stack systems purely it will run on the based upon the memory only, and softwares and all we required there. These are the softwares we required here. These are the softwares we required here to install it here. Okay, so same as like above how we done the installation, same way Java stack also we can do the installation, just a browser based URL which we will integrate it here, right? So let's log into the our system here. Let's validate it. So once, why? Because we have softwares where it is available or not. Yes, our SAP only CD is there. So let's check in the SAP softwares here. The Java exports are there or not? No, no Java exports. Above exports only we have. We need to download Java exports as well. That's fine. So what we have to do now? So let me stop it. Okay, so coming to the software side, we know how to download it, right? So go to the service. I will show you how to download the softwares here, right? Go to the service marketplace here. Go to the SAP download center. With S user ID, go to the SAP download center. Here we have the softwares are called the SAP NetWeaver stack. So NetWeaver, this is a pure NetWeaver, and that's why NetWeaver Java is the SAP NetWeaver Java. ABAP is the SAP NetWeaver ABAP. That ABAP stack we know. We discussed about the clients, client copies, transport administration, operation modes, login to the SAP GUI. So all those things we know. Background job. That is the ABAP stack. Java stack is like a pure browser based. Through URLs only we have to operate the Java stack systems and everything. Same as like above stack. This is the through URL based we have to log in here. So here the software center, it will open the software center here. It will open the software center. In the software center, we have the alphabetical items are there. A to Z alphabetical, same as like above stack only. It will display now. So here installation we are doing, right. Just to go to the installation and upgrades by alphabetical index. J for Java. So J, not the J for Java here. Here we need to click the N. Why? Because NetWeaver versions we have to download. Coming to the NetWeaver versions, we have SAP NetWeaver 7.5, SAP NetWeaver 7.4 old version, then SAP NetWeaver 7.3. So then SAP NetWeaver 7.2. So SAP NetWeaver 7.1, SAP NetWeaver 7.0. So this is the first version, SAP 2004's first version. Then after that 7.5, then 7.2, then 7.3, EHP 1, 7.3, 7.4. It's not success. Then 7.5, they have released it. This is the latest version in the SAP NetWeaver stack. SAP 7.5 here. SAP NetWeaver 7.5, that is the latest version which we have here. So here, if you want to install it, why? Because old versions are not supporting. This and all the not supporting by SAP. It's and all the not supporting by SAP here. Only 7.5 is supporting here. Then in this case, we need to go to the SAP NetWeaver 7.5. SAP NetWeaver. Also, you won't see anything. Just only 7.5, not worry. If anyone asks you what is the NetWeaver version means, 7.5, we can say. Go to the installation and upgrades. So here you can just to select your operating system, which operating system you are planning to do these things. So here you see download the Java file. You can download it here, Java exports. So installation export. This is ABAP stack installation export. So you can download the Java stack. This is the Java file here. So we have to download the zip file for the Java installation purpose. So Java installation, this zip file will be used here, right? This is the zip file which is used for Java installation here. So once this is Java exports, then once the Java exports are done, then remaining and all common SWPM. We know if you go to the S for SWPM, so go to the support packs, alphabetical index. So then S for S4 ANA SWPM. Bring charge. So here, go to SAP NetWeaver. Yeah, SWPM. SL toolset, you will get the SWPM, right? SL toolset, you will get the SWPM tool. So not the stack by entry by component. So SWPM, Software Provisioning Manager, right? You will get the SAP SWPM tool. Kernel, K for kernel, you will get the kernel related softwares here. DB client, we know how to download DB client also by alphabetical index. So E means ECC, CRM exports, right? N for NetWeaver stack. So then K for kernel. So these softwares we have to download it. These softwares, so we have to download. So kernel softwares. So go to the 64-bit kernel, either 753 or 754 are the will support for the SAP NetWeaver current operating systems here. You need to select these things. So you can just select the 753 or 754, you can download it. So that is the kernel. So kernel DB client will come when one pack, then exports, that is the depends upon the Java system. So Java exports you can download. Host agent is the OS level. Remaining all are common only. Space and all, RAM, everything we can check. So only thing is the Java installation. After that URLs we need to check, right? So let's see here where we have the Java software available. Okay, we don't have any Java stack softwares, so we have to download it definitely. As WPM is there. So this is for the SAP Java installation. As WPM, we have kernel, we have DB client already, SAP host. Only Java stack files we have to download it. Let's go to Java stack softwares. Okay, that's fine. Let me download softwares here. Software installation upgrades. SAP provisioning. Only Java softwares we require now. Then after that, so we are good. We can start the installation as well. Only Java softwares we have to download it. So once the Java system is installed, the remaining things are easy. Why? Because we need to only access through URLs only. Through URLs only we have to access. So URL means browser based. Anywhere you can open it. So you can access the Java systems and everything here. So it's not the J, it's a NW NetWeaver, right? You have to go to the N for NetWeaver stack systems. SAP NetWeaver 7.5, NetWeaver 7.5 here. SAP NetWeaver installation and upgrades. So here Java stack. Okay, just click on this zip file. This will start downloaded. Right, this will be downloaded, this Java zip file. So yes, see, it is getting downloaded. So meanwhile, let's work on the our system. Seven, eight, wrong date is shown. Date and time settings. So operating system is getting ready for the Java stack installation. So it's checking the updates and etc. Here the host name, we're just setting everything, the operating system. It's a old operating system. Old means the migration related thing. So what I will do, I will change this operating system name to something like SAP practice something. Yeah, SAP practice. Just changing the operating system name. Please. So, but Java is getting downloaded. You can see it here. So the file is getting downloaded. So I think it's in 8 minutes. There must almost 5 GB file which is getting downloaded for Java stack. So remaining all are there. Just only Java exports I am downloading. So then we can start the SWPM tool. We can start providing the inputs that we know, right? So just only exports time instead of ABAP exports. Here the Java exports we have to provide it. Then we have to install the Java stack. system. That's those things we have to provide it to the here. So thing is here. So let's build the operating system here first. So it's installing operating system. Installing means so we are just renaming. So all those things we are doing here.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
So, what is the difference between the Java environment and the HTML environment, sir?
That is
And
different. That is the coding part. This is a SAP Java. That is the different environment. That is the coding part. Every web applications, normally normal Java is required. HTML, CSS, Java. But this is the SAP Java. SAP Java. SAP Java is different. That is different. This is different. SAP Java is for SAP applications. SAP web applications. You need SAP Java. SAP web applications like so ADS, portal, PO. So which we will use it for the normally through browser. Browser we will use to log in, right? Same as like
means for Fury, all Fury services will come under this SAP Java also.
no, theory is the different apps based concept. It's not the Java.
Okay. Means in GUI we will be getting means SAP GUI for Windows environment and Java environment and HTML environment. Three types will be there. The same it will be there here also in the HANA also.
Hana Java, right?
No, sir. In the SAP GUI, we have three types of environments. No, one is Windows environment, another one is Java, and last one is HTML environment. The same it will be also here also.
No. That is the GUI. Don't compare with the GUI and this thing. The SAP means logging to the SAP server above stack systems. Multiple ways you can log in, either browser based, right? You can also enable the web GUI, HTML, then you can log in. Otherwise, SAP GUI logon pad that you can use it. Otherwise, in the GUI also there is a one more SAP NetWeaver GUI. There is a version. Both are all are same to log into the above stack systems only. Those three things are log into the above stack. This Java is like a browser based URL. So we have the Java stack systems are there. Some systems like Portal, PO, ADS, BPC. So they are the some systems which works only on the Java stacks only, means browser based only. So to log into the browser based systems, these Java systems we have to install. SLD, those things, these Java systems we have to install it. That's why
Okay,
SAP introduced this Java stack systems.
so okay, sir. Means for other than Windows OS, we will be using Java Stack.
Right. Other than Windows, we will use the other than
Means
Windows.
means in terms of GUI, I'm asking, sir, not in
SAP, yeah. Other than Windows, other than browser based, other than the SAP GUI, we are using the Java URL and passwords. Java URL we are using, means browser based URL we have to use it.
Okay, sir. Means for Mac, we need to install the SAP JDK file, no, sir, the Java application. Then on
That
it
is
will
the
run.
that is the coding side, the Java application. This is SAP Java, SAP Java. I'm saying this is the SAP Java. It's not the coding. SAP Java means it's a network Java stack systems. That Java, JRE, JDK, bin, those are the just that program file. Those are the binaries. Those are the softwares.
Okay, to run the SAP application.
Yeah, to run the SAP applications, you need the SAP Java is required.
So,
Other than SAP applications, you have some other anything you require to install the Java, JRE, those things you have to install it, right? So that is the normal our program development related Java. This Java is different, that Java is different.
okay, sir.
So meanwhile, let's okay launch the SAP softwares SWPM. Let's launch SWPM. It's not copied, but let's see. Even we don't kernel also we required. Kernel is there, but which is the kernel here? 740. So let's validate the kernel as well. There are the multiple files are there kernel. So let's go to K for kernel. K for kernel. Kernel means total. So two files, right? In that IGS also will come in 753. So SAP EXE 1300 2612 1300 2612. No, this is not the right one. 2573. What about the SAP EXE DB? 2611. I think 2611. This is matching. So this is fine. So this is also wrong. Only SAP EXE we have to download it. Only SAP EXE. Let me download SAP EXE 1300. So then once it is downloaded, what I will do, I can move the softwares to the in this location, SAP softwares. So I will keep this is as a shared one so that it will be shared, already shared, SAP practice shared, SAP practice shared SAP softwares. So open the browser. So okay, SAP softwares. So kernel. So kernel also downloading. It's not downloaded, I think. These two are getting downloaded. So meanwhile, let's start SWPM tool. Okay. Without any, so while we can wait for this one, so we know how to start the SWPM tool also, right? Go to the SWPM, just start SAP INST. So this will launch the URL in the browser. The main things will start after the installation. Why? Because after the installation, Java system is ready. Java URL is ready. So that we can log into the Java stack system URL, then we have some concepts are there. So those things we can discuss. Those things are important. Those things we can discuss. So installation, right? So, but we don't have Java system. Otherwise, directly we can open the Java system, Java URL, go to the administrator page. There we can discuss about the some topics here. But here we don't have Java system here. So now we are installing. So Java stack we are installing now. We have to go to the Java stack servers. There we can do the integrations work here. Okay, this is done. So then this is done. This is a very big file. This is the one 5 GB file. So this we have to extract it actually. All the files will be extracted. This is the different. This is not required. And then we have the exe file. Just copy that exe to our kernel directory. So this is open the URL from the browser, SAP practice something, right? So what I will do here, this URL. So this Java software also getting extracted. So why? Because it's downloaded as a zip file. So we need to extract it, right? So this extracted file, so we have to move to the location, server location, we have to move it here. Why? Because this extracted file contains the data inits and all the softwares here. So this one, so we have to move it to the server location here. So where we have placed the our softwares here, I think here. So here. So means SAP practice server, I am moving here. I downloaded from the different place. I am moving to the server level. I am moving here. So then here we need to start the so SWPM tool you started, right? So see here SWPM tool. So then proceed with the unsafe option, same as like SWPM. So here just click the administrator, which user you started, right? Then password. Then here carefully we need to choose the options here. When you are selecting, the options are carefully we need to plan it here. So which options you are choosing and what is this, all those things here. So here, so here you can see SAP NetWeaver 7.5, right? 7.5. Same is a above system below only. It can it will you will get the you will get the so database, then installation, right? So see here application server above, application server Java. This is the Java, right? So Java. So here same standard installation above stack, how you got the all those things here steps, same you got the all the steps here. So Java stack same way, there is no difference. Similar way we have to do the installation, nothing apart from that. This is still copying. Okay, let it copy. Then tomorrow we'll complete the installation. Then we'll see the other topics as well. Okay, this will take some time. So because it's a very huge zip file, so it's copying slowly. But let's see tomorrow. Okay. So nothing, same above stack, how we done the multiple installation, same way we are doing the installation. That's it. Only thing is after the installation is very important. After installation, how you are accessing the Java system, what are the things are creating in the Java level. So if the Java system is done, how to check the logs. So few things are important. Those things will discuss after the installation complete. Some like UME, user management, config tool. So some of the things are there. NetWeaver administrator, certificates. So few things are there. Those will discuss in our day-to-day classes. Okay. So once it is copy today, it will copy. So tomorrow directly we can start the SWPM tool and start the installation parts. Once installation is completed, we'll see the remaining steps. Okay.
Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Yes.
Some of the company already having the UJI. So after that, if you want, they're like both at a time, you can provide it like a UJI and browsing, like BAP and Java.
Yeah, above stack and Java, every company definitely they should have some Java stack systems, not only above. So every company, if they are having the above stack system, definitely they should have the Java stack systems also. Why? Because
Okay, then we can,
to access
then we
the
can,
yeah,
tell me, sir.
yeah.
Then we can provide the user logon pad also and user browser also. Okay.
Yeah. Some users they don't know how to log in. Only our IT team sometimes our IT team will use the SAP logon pads and everything. But some end users, some
Correct.
business users, they don't need, they don't want to install anything. Just they need the browser based URL. That time they will sometimes they will use the SAP logon pad URL. Sometimes they will use the SAP backend of front end system of SAP portal. Why? Because there is a different screens and everything. They will use it, then that will pull the data from our backend SAP systems. So integration perspective, they will use this Java stack systems and everything here. So SAP, all the functionalities not included in the one single above stack system. The multiple things are there here. They will install it.